You've been putting quarters in the whole time.
Yeah, you took off and I was trying to stop you like, hey. Yeah, man.
No, man.
I want you to get a ticket.
I actually did that on purpose, man. I was shooting a social experiment. My camera guy's right there. You see behind the fence?
Oh, hey.
You see, we were actually shooting it on purpose, and it's crazy that you did that, man. You actually sacrificed your money. It's the money that you could have used to buy some food, the money that you could have used to do something for yourself, but you spent it on me not getting a ticket. You didn't even have to do that, you know what I mean?
Oh, man. That's just the little I have, man. After all I've been through on this street, man, it's just cool, and I just thought I would help you out.
What made you want to do that, man?
Life, man, from a life perspective, things has been too rough for me, and there's nothing I can do.
Dude, that means
nobody to hold me down, nothing, so...
Dude, I was seriously standing there tearing up, man. That means a lot to me, dude. Like, you spending your own money just to save me from getting a ticket. Somebody that, dresses nice, somebody that has, everything that he needs in life.
Car.
And you actually help me out. You spend the money that you barely get a day, you put it in my meter. Just so I don't get a small little ticket. And it's not like you'd even have to do that.
It's just little coins, man. After all that I've been through, man, I can't do anything else but to help somebody.
Dude, man, give me a hug, man. That means a lot to me, man. Thank you, bud. That really means a lot to me. How long has it been since you ate, man?
Honestly, since yesterday.
Wow, man. Here, man, let me help you out. That means a lot to me, man. There you go, man. That seriously means a lot to me, man. I can't believe that you actually did that, man. Keep that money. Go get yourself a room, man.
This is a lot of money, bro.
No, man, it's cool. No worries, man. I wanted to give it to you the whole time we were standing here. We've been standing here for like 2 hours, man. We've been watching you the whole time doing that. And I wanted to give you that money, man. It really means a lot to me, man.
Bro, you sure this is not I've never received this much money from anybody.
No, man, no. It's all yours now, man. Go eat and everything, man.
Wow.
No worries, man. Have a good day, man.
Wow, man.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good day, man.
God bless you.